This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Snapchat account forgotten username and password on iPhone. So if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account but you forgot your account username, email or phone and password, don't worry. Still has a chance to recover or reset your Snapchat account password. So just follow this step-by-step guide. So the first solution is open your Google Chrome browser. Tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on your email account here. Again, tap on your email account. Tap on manage your Google account. And here, select the security option. Scroll down. Tap on password manager. Tap on the search box and type Snapchat. So if you saved your Snapchat account username and password, here you will get Snapchat. Now tap on your Snapchat profile. Enter here your Google account password. Here you will get your Snapchat account username and password. And another way to find out your account credential is go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down. Tap on passwords. Tap on the search box and type Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Also, here you will get your Snapchat account username and password. So that's how we can recover Snapchat account forgotten username and password on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.